I want you to do something right now. Add up everything you own: savings account, PF balance, mutual funds, gold, your share of the family property. Then subtract everything you owe: EMIs, credit card outstanding, personal loans. That number is your net worth. Now be honest. Are you happy with it? Because if you are 28 years old and sitting between 2 lakh rupees and 5 lakh rupees, you might be thinking, yeah, that is okay for my age. And that is exactly the problem. Because you are probably not okay. And today, I am going to show you the data that proves it and what you can do about it. Welcome to Shivani Talks Money. Income is the number everyone obsesses over in India. What package did you get? That is the first question at every family gathering. Here is the truth. Income is just the water flowing into your bucket. Net worth is how much water is actually in the bucket. And most of us have a massive pipe of income flowing in, and a bucket full of holes. You can earn 1.5 lakh rupees per month and have zero net worth. Lifestyle inflation, EMIs, credit cards, they drain the bucket faster than income fills it. Net worth is the actual scoreboard. Most people do not look at it because they are scared of what they will see. So let us look at it together. According to the UBS Global Wealth Report 2025, India's wealth Gini coefficient, the mathematical measure of inequality where 1.0 means one person owns everything, stands at 0.74. That places India among the 10 most unequal countries in the world out of 56 nations studied. And inequality in India rose between 2019 and 2024, while it fell in the United States over the same period. In 2024, India's real average wealth per adult declined. At the start of 2025, average wealth per adult was lower in real terms than 5 years ago. India is growing, just not necessarily for you, unless you do something intentional about it. Now here is the number that matters most. According to the UBS report, only 20% of Indian wealth is held in financial assets, one of the lowest ratios among all 56 countries studied. In the US, it is over 60%. What does that mean? Most Indians have wealth they cannot use, cannot compound, and cannot access in an emergency without selling something that takes months to liquidate. You might own a 50 lakh rupee flat and have 40,000 rupees in the bank. Your net worth looks okay on paper. Your actual financial flexibility, zero. Now let's calculate net worth by age. What the data actually says. These estimates are built using the UBS Global Wealth Report 2025, the AIDS 2019. Official government household survey conducted by MOSPI for the RBI and RBI household finance data, adjusted forward to 2025 to 26. These are median figures, what the person in the middle actually has. Under 25, 0 rupees to 50,000 rupees. Most people under 25 are at 0. That is okay. You have barely started. But a significant chunk of this age group is actually negative net worth because of education loans. Total education loan outstanding in India crossed 97,000 crore rupees in recent RBI data. That is a lot of young people starting their financial lives in the red. Ages 25 to 30, 1 lakh rupees to 4 lakh rupees. 5 years into working life, the median is somewhere between 1 lakh to 4 lakh rupees. If you have 3 lakh rupees saved, you are ahead of most. But think about this. If you have been earning 8 to 10 lakh rupees per year for 4 or 5 years, you have made 35 to 40 lakh rupees in gross income over that time. And you have 3 lakh rupees to show for it. Where did the rest go? That question should keep you up at night. Ages 30 to 35, 5 lakh rupees to 15 lakh rupees. This is where the gap between intentional and unintentional starts to show. The person who started a 10,000 rupee SIP at age 25 has roughly 9 to 10 lakh rupees by age 35 just from that one habit. The person who did not, they have their PF and maybe a fixed deposit their parents opened. The median is around 7 to 12 lakh rupees, but the spread is enormous. Some people in this bracket have 50 lakh rupees. Many have less than 2 lakh rupees. Ages 35 to 45, 15 lakh rupees to 40 lakh rupees. This is the make or break decade. By 40, the average urban Indian household has roughly 25 to 35 lakh rupees in net worth per ID's data adjusted for inflation. But a huge portion of that is locked in illiquid assets. Gold, a share of ancestral property, a plot that has not been sold in 20 years. Wealth on paper, zero financial flexibility. Ages 45 to 55, 40 lakh rupees to 80 lakh rupees. This is when people start waking up. If you need 60,000 rupees per month in today's terms to retire comfortably, at 6% inflation over 20 years, you will need 1.9 lakh rupees per month by age 65. To generate that passively at a 6% withdrawal rate, you need a retirement corpus of approximately 3.8 crore rupees. Call it 4 crore rupees to be safe. The median at this stage is probably 50 to 65 lakh rupees, mostly real estate and gold, with retirement accounts underfunded by an alarming margin. Ages 55 to 65, 60 lakh rupees to 1.2 crore rupees. The median net worth hovers around 80 lakh rupees to 1 crore rupees. Again, mostly a flat, a shop, or family gold. Liquid investable net worth for the median person at this stage, 15 to 25 lakh rupees. I am not trying to depress you. I am trying to give you the map nobody handed you. Let's now talk about the 3 traps keeping Indians behind trap 1, performing wealth instead of building it. In India, we are incredibly good at looking wealthy. The wedding, the car, EMI, the Bali trip, the upgrade from a 2 BHK to a 3 BHK. Every rupee you spend performing wealth is a rupee that could be becoming wealth. They are the same rupee. Trap 2? The real estate delusion. Your parents' flat went from 8 lakh rupees to 80 lakh rupees, 10 times in 25 years. The Nifty 50 did 10 times in about 12 years. And you cannot put 5,000 rupees into a flat every month via SIP. You cannot liquidate 20% of it when you need cash. Illiquid, undiversified, maintenance heavy. We have entire generations of Indians who are property rich and cash poor. That is not wealth. That is a trap dressed up as wealth. Trap 3, starting too late. This one genuinely frustrates me. So many people in their early 30s say, I will start investing once I sort my home loan, once the kids are older, once I get my next promotion. Here is the actual math. 10,000 rupees per month at 12% starting at age 25. By age 60, you have approximately 6.4 crore rupees. Start the exact same investment at age 35, same 10,000 rupees, same 12%. By age 60, you have approximately 1.9 crore rupees. The difference, 4.5 crore rupees. Gone. Because you waited 1 decade, and we treat it like it is fine. Now let me give you the honest benchmarks. These are not fantasy numbers. These are achievable targets for someone with a decent urban income and basic financial discipline. By 25, emergency fund of 3 to 6 months' salary. 0 high-interest debt. By 30, net worth equal to 1 times your annual income in liquid financial assets. Earning 12 lakh rupees a year? Aim for 12 lakh rupees in mutual funds and investments, not gold, not a plot. By 35, 2 to 3 times annual income. Earning 18 lakh rupees? Target 36 to 54 lakh rupees. Start a 10,000 rupees SIP at 25, and this is completely achievable. By 40, 4 to 5 times annual income. Compounding starts doing the heavy lifting. By 50, 8 to 10 times annual income. Your money should be working harder than you are. Most people do not hit these, but some do. And the only difference between the person who does and the person who does not is when they decided to get serious. So what will be your action plans after this one? Calculate your actual net worth today. Write it down. Assets minus liabilities. Separate liquid from illiquid. If you do not know the number, you cannot improve it. 2. Automate investments before lifestyle expansion. The moment your salary hits your account, transfer to your investment account first. Treat it like a mandatory EMI, paid to your future self. Start with 3,000 rupees per month in an index fund if that is all you can manage. Just start. 3. Diversify beyond gold and real estate. Equity mutual funds, index funds, direct stocks if you know what you are doing. liquid, compoundable, flexible. A flat impune is none of those things. 4. Kill high-cost debt immediately. Credit card debt at 36 to 42% annual interest is mathematically the best investment you can make by eliminating it. No mutual fund beats a guaranteed 40% return. Pay it off. 5. Track your net worth every 6 months, not every day. Every 6 months, update the number, watch it grow. That visibility alone changes behavior. Net worth is not a judgment of who you are. It is just a scoreboard. And scoreboards can change, but only if you start paying attention to the score. The median urban Indian household has roughly 27 lakh rupees in net worth, most of it locked in a flat or gold that cannot compound. If you finish this video and open a 5,000 rupees SIP this week, you are already doing something most people never do. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Give this a like, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to Shivani Talks Money for honest, research-backed money conversations every week. Drop a comment below with your age and where your net worth currently stands versus where it should be. No judgment. See you in the